Essay on Teachers' Day. Number 1. Good morning everyone. Number 2. My name is Zoya. Number 3. Today is 5th September. Number 4. On this day we are celebrating Teachers' Day. Number 5. Teachers are the real heroes of our society. Number 6. Teacher helps students to learn. Number 7. Students present gifts to their teachers on this day. Number 8. Teachers increase our knowledge and confidence. Number 9. Teachers loves us selflessly. Number 10. We should respect our teachers. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.